Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website. You can just watch the advertisement. You can earn much more cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, how it's work I tell you later, but if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. First I log out my account to show you how to you can register yourself in this website. Okay, wait a minute. This website is very high payment website. A lot of people come here to earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Total earning from this website is this much, total members this much, member online this much, and total payout is this much. And you can see the advertisement are members to come here to buy, earn some cryptocurrency. Okay, later bit come down, top 10 earners. This is the top 10 earners from this website. This is the top 10 countries from this website. Okay, it's Russian, Indonesia, Iran, India, Brazil, or Philippines. Okay, and you can see the top 10 referral. This is the highest referral from this website, and this is the highest commission from this website to earn. Okay, and you can see this website paying 100%, and just this website link in description. If you can, just click register. First of all, register yourself. Put your username, email, password, and confirm password and pin code. You use a little bit pin code and birthday. Then the referral link, you can change this one. If you click my link, you can come back with my referral link. This is tell you the tag. Choose the tag. Okay, choose your carry is available in here. You can choose all of these and click register. Okay, first of all, I have account. I just click and log in to show you how you can earn. Okay, and this is my account. This is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, and 50% recharge of withdrawal limit, or this is the all things they told us. Okay, you can check. This is the new withdrawal payout from this website. This is very high website. Okay, and you just watch BTC hats and you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Just collect BTC hats, nothing do it, just 80 BTC hats every day. Come just watch 80 BTC hats and you can earn just watching this, and refer your other friends to come here join this website. Okay, and I pause the video. After reloading, I resume it. Okay, this is very good. This is a very high payment from this website. Okay, just you can click this one, watch this advertisement for just 5 seconds. Just click, just reload, just watch this advertisement for 5 seconds. Okay, check to watch ad. Okay, watch, and okay, solve this capture magnifier. Okay, just click send. Okay, it's too easy. You earn one for Satoshi or one qoinad. Okay, very easy, very high payment you can earn. Okay, just you can click next one, just click watch, come back, and just airplane, just click send, and you can earn again and again. It's very easy, very high payment website. Okay, and just wait. Okay, you can see I earn. It's very easy, you can earn very fast. Okay, just click next one. Okay, just click watch. Watch means just watching the website. Okay, just click watching website. Okay, the complete 5 seconds and solve the capture. Click home, just click send, and you can earn 4 Satoshi. This is very easy, you know, and you can earn all of these, and you can have a much more cryptocurrency from your balance. Okay, I pause the video to watch all of the PTC hats, then I come back. Okay guys, now you can see I watch 10 ads, okay, and not too much, 9 or 10 ads, and you can see I earned this much PTC, and this is my quantum of PTC. You can see what is this one, how much you can earn. Okay, this is the all PTC collector I earn. Okay, it's something like you can change it to PTC, or something like you can use with your advertisement, and you can put your advertisement like this. That was this. Okay, and you can very easy you can use, and you can go to offer walls, and you can complete some offers, and you can earn much more from the offer. Okay, a lot of offer available, and you can earn much more from your offer, like this one beats wall. You can choose that one. This is a 3 part of offers in here. You can just complete the offer and you can earn much more. Okay, okay, I let it reload. Okay, this is the offer. Okay, it's not available any offer in here. You can click or task anything, not available in here. Like you can choose the next one, and you can find your favorite offer. Okay, maybe the offer available after much more days. Okay, this is offer is available. Watch the ad for the last 7 seconds. Don't close before it. Okay, just click this one. Okay, select this icon and fill this capture. Okay, you can see this is ad click wall, and you can watch advertisement. Okay, just this page tell you. Okay, you can come back. I watched this advertisement. Okay, this is very easy. Just some offers, it's just watching advertisement and something else. Okay, you can earn your favorite coin, or you can earn your favorite things. Okay, just watch this ad, this one, this is all advertisement. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and this was a link in description.